This is the operating room inside Broward Health Imperial Point, and fortunately for everyone's sake, I'm not here to do surgery. I'm here to meet with Dr. Levine and one of his patients, Christopher, to talk about hernias. This is Dr. Levine, a general surgeon, and today we're here to talk about hernias. Doctor, what is a hernia?
A hernia is basically a rip in your sidewall.
Oof, that sounds
where
painful.
the muscle splits, and it can be painful.
And how would somebody know if they have a hernia?
Most of the time they come to me complaining that they have a bulge either in the groin or in the belly button or somewhere else in their abdominal wall. They might have some pins and needles,
Right.
And that's usually indicative of a hernia.
So if they're experiencing those symptoms, then they should come and see you.
They should see their primary care or come directly to see me.
Doctor, later we're going to talk to Christopher, one of your patients.
Right.
Tell me about his story.
Well, he had a hernia. He's a tennis player and identified that his game was being affected by this bulge in his groin. We talked about options of treatment, basically that the rip in the sidewall doesn't fix itself and that it would, in a young man like him, need to be repaired.
I was actually playing a tournament, felt something that felt weird, felt a little bubble there, and I pushed it back in and didn't think about it, and I continued playing my match, and then my wife was like, I think you probably have a hernia. Broward Health was awesome. It was quick, it was painless, everybody told me exactly what to do, and before I knew it, I was done. Actually, after I got the surgery, just swinging the racket, I was like, oh my God, I can step to the right. I can actually move. I would say go check out Broward Health. They're very friendly. They'll make you feel really comfortable, especially my doctor, Dr. Levine. It was perfect. They totally made me feel at home.
In my practice, I don't use very much mesh. I use what I call God's mesh, a reconstruction of the abdominal wall using your natural muscle. We also are pioneers here in minimally invasive robotic approaches. There are surgeons on staff that will also repair hernias in that manner.
What makes Broward Health different when it comes to hernias and handling surgeries like this?
They're like the gold standard. You come in, you have it fixed, and you go home. And they treat myself, my staff, and my patients like gold. And everyone loves it.
Doctor, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.